Some good news for those looking for better and faster internet service in southern Guam. The Office of the Governor has announced the launch of the construction for new fiber and 5G installation to expand broadband coverage again in southern Guam. The $11.4 million project was authorized by the U.S. Department of Commerce and National Telecommunications and Information Administration under the Broadband Infrastructure Program and was subawarded to IT&E for the work. Now, according to officials, the project will help bridge the digital divide and connect hundreds of families in Guam to affordable, reliable internet service. Well, teams are currently micro-trenching in areas for buried fiber optic cable and 5G installation. Fiber totaling more than 72 miles will be constructed with 26 wireless towers across the south that will be upgraded for those 5G capabilities. Now, according to Acting Governor Josh Tenorio, closing the digital gap will strengthen business and job opportunities in the area. The buried fiber network will also provide greater network resiliency against typhoons and other natural disasters. Now, no timetable when the project will be completed.